Welcome back. When you trade through your broker, you will often see the term bid price and offer price on your trading software. So in this video, we'll understand these terms, that is bid price and offer price. Bid price is the price a buyer of a security is willing to pay in order to buy the security. Correspondingly, an offer price or ask price is the price a seller of the security is willing to accept in order to part away with the security. As a trader, you will place an order that specifies a bid price or offer price. You will also specify a corresponding bid quantity or offer quantity associated with the price. Before you place an order, you have the option to see a live feed of active orders. Often the brokers provide you with a snapshot of top 5 bid and top 5 offer prices. A sample snapshot is shown here. This here is the best bid price and this here is the best offer price. The best bid available at this time is 179.30 and the best offer available is 179.35. Let's look at a few examples to understand how the execution of an order placed by an investor will work given this bid offer price quantity situation in the market. Now if these are the available bids and offers in the market and you wish to sell 50 shares at 179.30, you can do so by placing a market or limit order. A market order tells the broker that you want to execute your trade at the best available price in the market. So in this case, when you place a market order to sell 50 shares at 179.30, if the order reaches the exchange in time and the market bid offer price quantity does not move, you will be able to sell your 50 shares at a price of 179.30. Similarly, if you wish to buy 50 shares at 179.35 and you place a market order which reaches the exchange in time, you would be able to buy 50 shares at 179.35. Now if instead of placing an order to buy 50 shares, suppose you place a market order to buy 100 shares. In this case, you will be able to buy 50 shares at 179.35 since only 50 shares are available at that price. Another 50 shares would be bought at 179.40 as this is the next best offer available in the market at the time. Market order is one type of order that is available to you. Actually, there are a range of order types available to you and we are going to look at these different order types in the next video.